Welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we make smart tech simple and worth your time. I'm excited today because we're diving into one of 2025's most intriguing wearable launches, the Xiaomi AI Glasses. Stick with me till the end, I promise you'll see whether these are just a cool gadget or a true game changer. Now picture this, you slip on a pair of glasses and they're not just sunglasses or reading glasses. They're a mini computer, camera, translator, and fitness tracker rolled into one. That's exactly what Xiaomi is going for. These glasses launched in China around June 26, 2025. They're still shipping globally in limited regions, but the specs and vision give a strong clue about where wearable tech is heading. Let's unpack what the Xiaomi AI glasses bring to the table for a premium audience, because you're paying for more than just smart looks. First, design and wearability. According to the specs, the unit weighs about 40 grams. That's extremely light for a smart wearable. They look like regular glasses, which is key for everyday use. No bulky headset vibe. The frame is made of a TR90 nylon plus titanium hinges. The temple arms are 155 mm long for comfort and stability. So for premium users, that means comfort and subtlety. You're not announcing you're wearing tech. Next, camera and AI functionality. These glasses include a 12-megapixel Sony IMX681 sensor and can record 2K video at 30 frames per second. They also support object recognition, real-time language translation, and live assistant functions via Xiaomi's Xiao AI, so you're stepping into true smart eyewear. For a premium market, this means you're not just streaming or snapping photos, you're interacting with your environment in new ways. Audio and connectivity also matter. These glasses have dual open-ear stereo speakers plus a 5-mic array including bone conduction elements. You get calls, music, assistant cues, all without plugging in earbuds. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and more. If you're in the premium tier, you expect seamless pairing, premium audio, and fluent wireless performance, and Xiaomi seems to deliver that. Battery life and practical use are huge for wearables. According to sources, mixed-use battery life is about 8.6 hours for the camera/AI functions. For standby, up to 21 hours. Now, for the audio-only smart audio version, slightly different product, Xiaomi lists up to 24 hours general usage, 10 hours listening time, 7 hours call time and 11 days standby. For premium users, that means far less charging fuss and more wearable time, very important. Let's talk lens and style options. There are electrochromic lens versions, automatically tinting, clear lens versions, and color-shifting ones. Styles include black, brown tortoiseshell, and green. So you get premium materials, good design options, not just tech gadget look, but a wearable luxury item. Now let's shift into what this means for you, why you might buy it, and what to watch out for. Why it's compelling. You get smart functionality in a form factor you can actually wear every day without feeling like you're in a sci-fi movie. Premium audio plus camera plus translation plus object recognition all built in, that's next level. Light body, good design, lens options equals fits the premium lifestyle. Future-proof vibe, you're buying into an ecosystem of wearable AI, which is where tech is going. What to watch? Global availability and pricing. The current launch is China-centric, and international release dates and pricing aren't fully confirmed. Compatibility and ecosystem. Some functions may only work fully with Xiaomi phones or their ecosystem. Premium users often have mixed brands, make sure your setup works. Battery while camera/AI functions are used heavily might drain faster, specs are under lab conditions. Fit and prescription lens support. If you wear glasses or want tinted lenses, check how the product handles that. Let me put you into a scenario. You're walking into a business meeting abroad. You're wearing glasses that automatically translate a conversation you're overhearing in German into English into your earpiece. You then capture a 2K video of the meeting for note-taking. Later, you're outside in sunlight and the lens shifts tint automatically. Your calendar reminds you of your next event, and you tap the temple to skip a track or answer a call, all hands-free. That's the lifestyle premium tech is promising you, and this product is stepping into that space. If you're like me, you'll ask, is it worth it? If you're a tech enthusiast in a premium market, absolutely something to strongly consider. If you value style plus substance plus future-proof wearability, then yes. If you just need basic smart glasses or aren't committed to the ecosystem, maybe wait until second gen when prices drop or global support is stronger. So to wrap up, the Xiaomi AI glasses show that wearable tech is evolving from gimmick to lifestyle accessory. They combine premium design, advanced AI capabilities and practical everyday use. For US or UK users, and other high-end markets, they represent a forward step. If Xiaomi rolls them out globally with strong support and competitive pricing, they could become a headline product for the next wave of wearable devices. Thank you for watching the full review on TapTech. You made it right to the end, and I appreciate your time. If you like this deep dive and want more on other next-gen wearables, especially smart glasses, AR gear, high-end audio, hit the like button, subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out. Leave me a comment. Would you use smart glasses like these every day? Or is this still tech for tech's sake? Until next time, keep tapping into the future. I'll see you in the next video.